Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to turn on notifications on Google Home step by step. If you want to stay updated with alerts, reminders, and smart home activity, this tutorial is for you. On your mobile dashboard, if you have already installed the Google Home app, all you need to do is open it or tap on it. Once you are here, you will be taken to the home page of your Google Home. To get notifications on your Google Home, simply tap the small profile icon that appears in the upper right corner of your screen. Here, you will see Home Settings. Tap on Home Settings. Under Home Features, you will see the Notifications option. Tap on Notifications, and you can choose which notifications you want to receive, whether it is for the voice assistant or Google lists that have been added to your Google Home. This allows us to enable notifications in the Google Home app, so we can receive important updates from our smart devices and services. We can also adjust app permissions and notification settings on our phone and Google Home devices. That is it. Now we know how to turn on notifications on Google Home.